And 9 again. Oh my god. So bad. Oh! It's Gucci. Okay, let me see the Blink shop. The Blink shop. And of course we have BB. Hey bro, I made a mistake. I'm not buying her. I'm buying her directly. Like look at that. Look at this beauty, man.
Make your face
Come on.
tough as nails.
Picked a bad brawler so I can easily win the games very fast because it's only 5 minutes. It's so short. If I play with something like BB or a prestige brawler, yeah, alone one game is 5 minutes. So I'm gonna pick a bad brawler. So you have Charlie here. Everybody is a bot here, so it should be easy. It's gonna be like boring a bit, but oh my god, give me that, give me that. Yeah, we're just walking together at this point. I mean, she's not bad, but not a good brawler. It's like normal. I don't know. Thing is, if I don't speak, it's gonna be boring. So I need to speak because what is that like? And let's go. Let's go. We're just gonna go right here, man. And oh my god, ooh. All right. Not bad. Somebody's calling me. I'm not picking that up. Okay. Okay, the star drop is bad, but the chaos drop is good. All right, back with Nina. Oh my god, she's so bad. You know I'm bad. I'm bad. Come on. Wow, okay. Oh my god, this aim is bad. It's crazy. It's crazy. Embarrassing. 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 And by the way, I'm playing without a sound. So crazy. It's weird to play without a sound. To be honest, I forgot I'm playing, without a sound right now. It's mental. You watching this without a sound, I'm watching this without a sound. It's crazy. I don't know what I just said. Oh my god, let me be quiet. Wow. So quiet. Okay. Like the only sound here is my voice. That's it. I forgot that this video is about no sound, bro. So it's crazy. They're so boring. They made me forget that. And it's 4 again, so we're gonna go in the zone. And give me that mega box. Rare, like always. Rare again. Okay, no. 9 and wow, embarrassing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my god, how bad is it? 30 seconds. 30 seconds. No. Dun dun. Miki, Nikita, Sefa, Finer, movements, Arta, people. What are those for names, man? Like, okay. I think it's Spike, right? Spiky? No. Nikita. Come on, Nikita. Snipes. Us. Oh wow. Oh my god. 900 per shot. It's crazy. And give me those 2 big boxes. Only 1 more player and I don't have to do this again. And give me that. Even though I already won, but I don't know why I was killing him. I already won. It better be good. I mean, there's no brawler, which is I have every brawler. So at least something good. Come on, please. Oh, first time, not rare. And 9 again. Oh my god, so bad. Oh, 1,000. I'll take that. Come on. And that was it with the video, guys. I hope y'all liked it. If yes, don't forget to follow, just support, just hit the follow button and everything. And again, you're gonna do a skin giveaway, 1 skin, and just scan this QR code right here. And yeah, this is a skin. I don't know if you have it. I mean, better than nothing, you know what I mean? And yeah, like I said, don't forget to hit the follow button, like, and just comment anything. And see you next time.